A moonquake is a shaking of a natural satellite, like the shaking observed on Earth's surface, that may be due to tidal effects, meteorite impacts, sudden expansions of a lunar surface due to heating from an internal source, or an external source such as a nearby star, for example. Now, moonquakes are like quakes on Earth, which we call earthquakes, or they're like quakes on the sun, which we call sunquakes. They're the shaking of the surface of that celestial body. But the reason why the sun quakes or the moon quakes or the earthquakes are different. Each natural object has its own reason for quaking. In the case of Earth, it is due to the plates on the surface of the Earth that rubs against one another or goes over one another or they separate out. But the moon does not have these plates. The moon has a quaking due to several reasons. There could be a tidal effect. There could be a meteorite impact, or there could be a sudden expansion of the lunar surface due to heating from an internal source or an external source such as a nearby star. Let's take a look at the sketch of the interior of the moon. We could have a deep moonquake source region, which could be heat that's trying to escape out of the interior of the moon, and that causes the interior to quake. Or it could be a shallow moonquake. A shallow moonquake could be when the moon was hidden from the sun for a week or two, and when the moon's surface came out of the shadow of the Earth, then that sudden sunshine on the surface of the moon caused the quaking of the surface of the moon. These are examples of why a moon might quake.